Yes, good morning everyone. As we were doing chapter 11, this is water in atmosphere. In this chapter, we were doing in our previous session about the forms of condensation. Condensation, or you can say condensed moisture, occurs in various forms like dew, fog and mist, smoke as well as frost and cloud. And this is all happening due to the variation in the amount of humidity in air, in its movement and turbulence, and in the temperature of air, as well as the rate of cooling. Condensation occurs in solid surface on the earth surface as well as in free air above to it. The common form of condensed moisture includes dew particles, fog, mist, smoke, frost, and cloud is also being a very important weather element, is a form of condensation. Dew refers to the moisture deposited in the form of water droplets on cooler surface of solid objects such as grass blades, plants leaves, etc. Dew consists of tiny droplets. This is a tiny droplets of water produced by condensation on surface object rather than on nuclei in the air above the surface. In any nature observer, you may find in the morning there are shining beads of water droplet deposited on the grass blades and plant leaves. In fact, dew refer to the water droplets deposited directly in form of condensed water vapor adjacent clear air, mainly on horizontal surface, cooled by nocturnal radiation. The condition, or we can say ideal condition, which are responsible for the formation of dew is clear sky, calm air, high relative humidity, cold and long nights, and for the formation of dew, the temperature should fall below the dew point during the night, but it should have been above the freezing point. Clear sky and calm air are one of the most necessary conditions for the formation of dew. Cloud act as blanket which greatly reduce the radiation cooling during the night. That's why it required clear and calm air. And the movement and turbulence in lower layer of atmosphere can cause mixing, and it can prohibit the air from reaching its dew point. That is why windy night do not favor the formation of dew. So clear sky and calm air is necessary condition. In brief, the necessary condition, we can say the clear cloudless sky, calm weather, appreciable quantity of moisture is necessary condition for the formation of dew. The frost. Frost generally mistaken to be frozen dew, and frost occur when the dew point of air falls below the freezing point. Frost are basically a form on solid surface when temperature of air fall below the freezing point. It means 0 degrees Celsius. When condensation start with the temperature below the 0 degrees Celsius, the water vapor in the air passes directly from gaseous to solid state. Sometime condensation under such condition result in the formation of ice crystal commonly called white frost. Ideal condition for the formation of frost is almost same as for the dew, like long winter cool nights, clear sky and calm air. High relative humidity is required, but there is a difference of temperature for fog. For dew, we need temperature above the dew point, freezing point, but Here temperature should fall below the freezing point for the formation of frost is necessary. Third, fog and mist. The fog is a cloud with its base very near to the surface. The formation of fog happens when the temperature of an air mass containing a large quantity of water vapors fall all of sudden, and in this condition condensation takes place within air itself on fine dust particle. Fog is generally defined as almost microscopically small droplets of water condensed from and suspended in air near the surface of earth when there is a sufficient number to reduce the horizontal visibility of atmosphere. Fog, already I have told to you, are cloud with its base either close to the surface or very near to the surface ground, and in the fog condition the visibility of atmosphere reduces, sometimes it is zero, and in the light fog this visibility may be reduced up to 2 to 3 kilometer, right? But in dense fog visibility is sometimes up to the few meter or sometimes it's zero, and the condition for the formation of fog is almost the same. Fog occurs during the calm and light wind condition. It is more common in the vicinity of ocean where there is abundant supply of moisture near the earth surface than inland, but sometime during the winter over the continental part it is very common in the continental part where there is a supportable fog formation condition, like we have experienced fog formation during the winters. Almost northern plain of India like Punjab, Haryana and western UP experience dense fog during the winter season. Smoke, apart from smoke, there is another form of condensation. This is smoke. Smoke basically is a combination of fog and smoke. The formation of smoke happen in those areas which are urban and highly industrialized, and the center of smoke in this combined with fog form the smoke condition. Now there are other forms of fog as well, like cloud is one of the form of condensation. Cloud has been defined as a visible aggregation of minute water droplets and ice particle in the air, usually above the general ground level. Thank you.